Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Land Rover Discovery hood. First, locate the interior hood release lever, typically found on the driver's side, near the footwell. Pull this lever firmly towards you until you hear a click, indicating the primary latch has disengaged. Now, proceed to the front of your vehicle to complete the next step. Once at the front, you'll notice the hood is slightly ajar. Reach your fingers into the gap, just below the center of the hood's front edge. You are looking for a small lever or catch, which is the secondary safety latch. Push or squeeze this lever, often located near the R in Land Rover on some models, to fully release the hood. With both latches released, gently lift the hood upwards. It may be on hydraulic struts, which will assist in lifting it. Next, locate the hood support rod, typically found clipped to the underside of the hood or within the engine bay. Carefully remove the rod and insert its end into the designated hole or slot on the vehicle's frame to keep the hood securely open. To close the hood, first remove the support rod from its slot and secure it back in its clip. Then, gently lower the hood until it rests on the primary and secondary latches. Avoid slamming it. Instead, apply firm, even pressure directly above the latches to ensure it clicks securely into place. Always double-check that the hood is fully closed before driving. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.